Whether you live in a tiny house, dream of camping and backpacking around the globe, or wish to lessen your carbon footprint at home, portable washing machines are a seriously intriguing option for getting laundry done. There are many products available to choose from. Best portable washing machine, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best portable washing machine from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jontax Portable Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine. The Jontax Portable Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine is an eco-friendly washing machine designed to use less energy, water, and detergent. It also has a compact style suitable for homes, apartments, dorms, and RVs. The mini washing machine features a two-tub style for washing and rinsing on one side and spinning moisture out on the other. This function reduces energy consumption and allows larger loads of clothing to wash faster. The Jontax Portable Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine is easy to operate, thanks to a top-load design, easy fill and easy drain ports, filter nets, and simple dial knobs. Adjustable washing and spinning times make it possible to wash a load of laundry in 15 minutes and spin it in 5 minutes. The washing tub holds up to 16 pounds of laundry and uses a powerful motor, plus a pulsator and spin cap. It weighs 28 pounds, uses 120-volt power, fits in a 24.8x 15x 28.5-inch space, and is white with blue viewing windows. Number 2. Super Deal Portable Compact Washing Machine. This compact washing machine is both the cheapest and lightest machine on our list. It weighs 22 pounds, yet has a 9-pound load capacity, making it one of the best portable mini washing machines. In addition to being portable and affordable, the Super Deal Portable Compact Washing Machine is also ultra durable and includes lots of extra features. This washer has two tubs, one for washing and rinsing and the other for spinning. The washing tub has a unique rinse technology that gives 2 deep rinse cycles on every load to ensure the best rinse with the least water possible. It also has a high-density plastic body to prevent rust, plus an aluminum pump, upgraded motor, and suspension system that ensures this washing machine lasts longer than others. As a result, there are no problems washing baby clothes, undergarments, or woolen clothes. Set the device to soft washing mode and wash without worry. Number 3. Cupa Compact Twin Tub Portable Mini Washing Machine. The Cupa Compact Twin Tub Portable Mini Washing Machine is a large-capacity small washing machine. It is also energy-saving, quiet, and durable, making it ideal for traditional homes, apartments, dorms, and RVs. This compact top-loading machine holds more laundry than typical portable washing machines, up to 18 pounds in the washing tub and 8 pounds in the spinning tub. Many compact washing machines don't include a drain pump, but this one does, and its 56-inch tube is super convenient and folds away when not in use. The high-efficiency tub features an easy-fill water inlet, a spin tub, a cap, and a pulsator. In addition, the operation panel has easy-to-use knobs to select wash type, wash time, and spin time. It weighs 26 pounds, runs on 110 volts, and measures 27.4x 16.1x 31.9 inches. Cupa Compact Twin Tub Portable Mini Washing Machine is available in white with blue viewing windows or white with black viewing windows. Number 4. Causeway Mini Washing Machine. The Causeway Mini Washing Machine is a 2-in-1 wash and spin dry clothing washer, ideal for compact spaces in RVs, dorms, and apartments. It's lightweight and has rubber foot pads and a 3-prong power cord, making it portable and super easy to move around. In addition, it's natural water and energy efficient, which helps save on household costs. This top-loading mini laundry machine weighs just 12 pounds and washes and spins a 5.5-pound load of clothing in 15 minutes or less. The top-load washing machine is easy to use with simple, labeled knobs and a primary water inlet that hooks up to a water hose and drain tube. Additional features include a delayed start timer, an easy open handle, a clear blue lid, and sides that make it easy to see the water and clothing inside. Number 5. Comfy Portable Washing Machine. The Comfy Portable Washing Machine is one of the best portable washing machines for sale on Amazon. It's the perfect compact washer for apartments, dorms, and RVs because it's fully automatic and quickly attaches to any faucet with its portable fill hose. In addition, the space-saving design and energy-saving functions ensure it will fit in tight spaces and save money on water and electricity bills. This machine includes every feature you'd expect to find in a modern top-of-the-line washer, from a durable motor to wheels and handles to move it around quickly. In addition, it has a stainless steel inner tub, a built-in lint trap, separate cold and hot water inlets, and a detergent box. The 6 cleaning programs include regular, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin only. There is also an option to select an extra rinse cycle and 3 temperature options. Additional features include a clear, soft close lid, child lock, delay start, and reload options. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.